Today's prompt of the day is find up-to-date information on short-term rental regulations. Before we dive into our prompt, here are some reasons why destinations and cities are clamping down on short-term rentals. Housing affordability and availability for residents of these areas, community impact and over-tourism, economic concerns, and we talk about economic concerns, regulatory challenges, and then preservation of local cultures and integrity. 5 reasons you need to know these regulations so you can avoid legal issues and fines, maintain your community's standards, ensure your guests' safety and the quality of their stay, support your local economy, and operational efficiency and reputation. So that's just a quick hit list, but let's dive right into the prompt. We prefer Perplexity AI for this particular prompt. Now, you are going to copy the prompt below. That is in the video description or in the blog post text. You're going to drop this prompt into your favorite AI, and you're going to replace the information that is within the brackets. So let's review this prompt so you can see what it says. So this prompt says, find the short-term rental regulations for a given location. All right, so your information or your inputs required are going to be your role. So are you the owner, manager, or agent? And the location, your city name or municipality, state, region, province, country, your postal code, and then your property type, single-family home, apartment, condo, etc. Then some regulatory, now you want to ask the AI about the regulatory information. You want to ask about licensing and permits. So you want it to search for short-term rental licensing required, the types of licenses, the application you want it to provide the application process and renewal requirements. Then you'd like the AI to search for zoning and permitted areas to check for if STRs are allowed. Are there any bans or moratoriums? HOA or condo association restrictions? What are the tax obligations? You want the AI to search for what taxes are applied. Are there occupancy taxes, sales taxes, tourism taxes? Who is responsible for collecting the taxes? Is it the host or is it the rental platform like an VRBO or an Airbnb? And how and when to register for a tax remittance? AI to search for health and safety compliance, asking it to look for fire, building, health codes, smoke detectors, CO alarms, emergency exits, occupancy limits and guest rules, also local permits and registration requirements. And you're also asking the AI to check for enforcement and penalties. So we pasted a prompt here in Perplexity. Perplexity is a really good AI for research. So we pasted this in, and I created a prompt. I put in my role here as an owner for Kihei, Maui. Put in the zip code and the property type I used as an owner. So we're asking it for licensing permissions and everything, and let's see what the AI gives us. Okay, so you can see here some of the licensing that, yes, there are permits that are required, and they may be exempt depending on specific zoned areas. There are also some bed and breakfast permits, applicable process and costs. There are some bans and moratoriums with some caps, tax information, licensings, fines up to $20,000. So you can see here some great penalty. So as you can see here, some great information. and a great place to start, especially if you're just starting as a new owner or property manager. So it's a great valuable prompt to get started on your research if you're just trying to catch up, or if you're just refreshing your information as an existing property. Well, that's all we have for you today. Please, if you have any questions, post below, or you're welcome to email me, kay@smartpineapple.ai.